Ever heard someone say sleep is for the weak or grind 24/7? If you're chasing success without ever stopping, you might be part of hustle culture. Hello, e clubbers. Today, we are decoding one of the trendiest and most talked about concepts in modern work life: hustle culture. Hustle culture is a modern term that describes a lifestyle where working constantly, staying busy, and always doing something productive is not only encouraged but often glorified. You'll often hear phrases like rise and grind, you sleep, I work. If you're not hustling, you are losing. People in hustle culture are always chasing goals, often working overtime, managing side hustles, staying on, even after hours. The term gained popularity with startup culture, social media influences, and motivational speakers promoting the idea that more work is equal to more success. Platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok are filled with content that praises non-stop work and grind mood. But is hustle culture good? That's where the debate begins. On one hand, it inspires discipline, ambition, and results. On the other, it can lead to burnout, mental health issues, and the guilt of taking a break. Many experts now call hustle culture a form of toxic productivity, where rest is seen as weakness. Here's how you might hear it used in a sentence. After 3 all-nighters this week, I realized hustle culture was destroying my health. Let's look at another sentence. She quit her job to escape the hustle culture and live slower. So remember, working hard is great, but balance is better. So, is hustle culture empowering or exhausting? Tell us in the comments below. Like and share this video if you believe balance beats burnout. And hit subscribe for more trending vocabulary right here at eClub, where language meets life.